Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Civil Engineering Forum. In this video we are going to have a discussion on investment in real estates, particularly for investing in a flat or a plot. Which investment is better? So we'll have a comparison between these both. In short, we are going to talk about the risk, returns and numerous other criteria which may affect our investment. So moving ahead, our first point is modification. If you are investing in a flat, then you'll not be able to modify, you'll not be able to make any changes once you have bought the flat, because this might be a ready to move property. Our flexibility gets affected. We cannot change the interior once it is done. We cannot change the rooms, bedrooms, kitchen, planning we cannot change basically. The entire layout of the apartment will remain same as it is for the lifetime. But if you are going for a plot, then we can make the construction as per our choice. We can even modify it anytime, and even we are free to demolish and reconstruct the entire property. So this was about our first point, that is modification. Moving ahead with our second point, that is risk. So obviously investing in a flat will have minimum risk. Due to any reason, if you want to move on, then you can sell this property. But the only thing is that there should be a buyer who is willing and who is able to afford your flat. And maybe due to any reason, if you are not able to sell out this flat, then you can even give it on the rent, which will even start your monthly income. Then talking about the plot, it has very high risk as compared to that of the flat. That is documentation and title clearance risk. Yes friends, this is considered as the biggest risk in buying a plot, because you are investing your lifetime savings in buying only a single plot, where at the end you may come to know that the property for which you are making the payment belongs to some other person. And in order to avoid this situation, we should have our property or our plot title cleared and very accurate documents. And if you want to see what documents are required before buying a plot, then you can just find out the link in my description. I've already made a video on the same. Then the second main problem in buying a plot is that sellout problem. Yes, due to any reason, if there is no development where your plot is located, then remember my friends, there will be no buyer for such plots. So you can even face sellout problem. And again, there might be a encroachment risk, which means local mafias present at the location of your plot might carry out any construction at your plot and ask you to give money for giving you back your plot. So this situation may also arise if you are having a plot or if you have invested in a plot. So we have to take care about each and everything. So after risk, we'll be talking about returns. If you are investing in a flat, then it might give you moderate returns. Yes, that is about 8 to 10%. This simply means that the buy price of your flat might be doubled at the end of 10 to 12 years. Yes, we can consider it as 12 years. And this also is only possible when if there is no construction fault or any depreciation. And before buying any plot, if you have carried out a proper area survey and you have seen the future road development, in short, if you buy a plot with proper planning, then it might give you very good returns. That is, the buy price of your plot might be doubled in 3 to 4 years only. So basically this is a very good option. So moving ahead, our next point is home loan. So if you are investing in a flat, then you can easily get a home loan, and that too at very low interest rates. Yes, then it becomes very easy for you to invest in a flat rather than going for a plot. Because if you are buying a plot, then it's very difficult for you to get the loan, and even if you get the loan, then there will be very high interest rates in such case. Then our last point here is tax benefits. If you are buying a flat and applying for the home loan for the same, then you can get tax benefit on the principal amount and even on the interest rates under section 80C and 24. And in buying a plot, there will be no tax benefit because we have not carried out any construction over there. But yes, if you want to set your black money, then buying a plot is a very good option. So friends, these were few positive and negative aspects for buying a plot. Now you can take your decision depending on your requirements whether you should go for a plot or buy a flat. So friends, this is all for today. If you like this video, then just click on the like button, do press on the subscribe button, share this to your friends, and I'll be back. Thank you for watching.